Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm starting another series on sandwiches and I'll be making a variety such as the tuna and sweet corn, the famous BLT, that's the bacon, lettuce and tomatoes, and I'll be making some egg mayos and watercress. To prepare the tuna sandwich, I need some tuna and sweet corn fillings. So I've got my tuna chunks. I'm going to remove the water by just leaving the lid on and squashing it to get the excess water out of the tuna. Place into a bowl. Do the same with the corn. Remove the water from the tinned corn. You can also use frozen corn or fresh corn, any corn that you can find. Place the content of the sweet corn into the tuna and add a tablespoon of mayonnaise into the mixture and mix. To make the sandwiches, you need to prepare the bread. I've got the one with the crust. You can leave it on as it is with the crust, or you can take off the crust. So if you prefer to take off the crust, just use your knife to slice the edges, the crust off the edges of the bread. The next step is to butter the bread. Using a knife, place a little bit of butter onto this sliced bread and add a tablespoon of the tuna filling and spread onto the sliced bread. Place the top, the other half of the bread, and you can slice into fingers like that, or you can cut into triangles. I'm making buffet ones, so I'm going to cut into 4 small triangles. Arrange nicely onto a platter, ready for the display buffet. Also use bread roll for your sandwich. Slice the roll into 2. And you can either leave it halfway through or cut into all through. I'm going to leave it halfway through. Apply some butter onto the surface of the bread roll and add a tablespoon of filling into the bread roll. You can leave it half open, maybe with a garnish of tomato coming out or some lettuce, or you can push it straight down if you prefer. I'm going to leave it a little bit open for display effect. Place onto a platter and it's ready for service. Enjoy!